Okay, everybody, welcome to AI is Fun, our bi monthly series.
Yeah, I think it's by month. So
Yes.
1 month, 2 times.
Yep. I have forgotten to download the
The EDM.
yeah.
Did you share it to the WhatsApp?
I have it. Just give me one moment. Oh, I have it as a PDF.
Oh.
Well,
Okay.
I'm still getting used to this new formatting time and date.
I'm gonna turn this guy on.
Wait, that's not okay.
Right,
That's
this one,
not
right?
exactly.
Yeah.
I'm showing
Okay.
my screen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was.
Welcome to our bi-monthly series where we talk about the fun things about AI and sometimes the not so fun things about AI, which has been used for multiple problematic issues. But let's not dwell on that right now. Amma, are you here? Would you like to share first?
Yeah, I can start. I can start. This okay, give me a second. I want to show first few updates, especially from the Microsoft side on the AI stuff on our day-to-day basis, especially on the PC. Let me share my screen. That is it. Did I open YouTube? Yeah, here it is. Okay, so just yesterday, because we all know Microsoft Ignite is going through its worldwide for one event where Microsoft announced lots of new things. So now, when we are using a Windows operating system going further, there will be a lot of changes, especially from the AI perspective. So this is a quick, simple, informative announcement on Agentic, especially on a Windows as a PC. Right? Let me just play that.
At heart, Windows is built to reimagine what's possible for you and the organization you lead. With security built in, not bolted on. Intelligence in every layer, from chip to cloud. Made to work in rhythm with people. Here, agents are woven into the fabric of how business gets done, helping you and your team be more productive than ever before, enabling anyone, anywhere, to develop, create, connect, and lead. At its core, Windows amplifies human ingenuity, empowering the next generation of business and the people who will define it.
So what is that coming up is with the AI evolution, a lot of things are coming up within a Windows. Okay, so just Microsoft announced yesterday in Ignite about this, right? And which will be like example, I'll just show you guys. Okay, this is the Copilot, which is built in with the Windows example. Okay. Now, for example, I am a person, I want to do a understand certain technologies or certain languages, asking Copilot as an option, which is my digital assistant. Okay, I can ask it, multiple languages. By the way, this version which I have logged in is a free version. Let me just show you guys. Okay, this is my personal email ID. Okay, I'm just using it on my desktop. I can able to do a lot of stuff directly from here. Now, for example, I will just give a brief. So it can start the conversation with me. Okay. Guys, you are able to hear the video voice, right?
Yeah.
Perfect, right? Now I'm using.
Hey,
Hi, Copilot. Good morning.
good morning, Amarnath. What's on your mind today?
I want to understand what's the latest announcements from Microsoft Ignite 2025, specifically from AI to the consumers.
I'm looking up the latest announcements from Microsoft Ignite 2025. Just a moment. I'm checking the latest announcements from Microsoft Ignite 2025, focusing on AI breakthroughs for consumers. Give me a second.
Sure.
It might be lagging a bit.
Yeah.
I'm looking into. It looks like I need a moment to get the latest on Microsoft Ignite 2025. Let's give it another shot.
Really has an information lag.
I couldn't find the latest announcements from
No.
Microsoft Ignite 2025. Would you like to talk about anything else?
That's okay. When was your cutoff date? What you have the data?
I actually have real-time data and continuously update my knowledge, so I don't have a cutoff date. I can provide the
Evidently
most
not.
current information available. Is there something else you'd like to know about?
That's it. Thank you. So, you know why I specifically asked about the cutoff date? When we use any tools specifically, right? For example, let me just open a simple regular one, what we use now, ChatGPT, right?
Yeah.
Now, we all know we have been using ChatGPT with the latest version, which is 5.1 example, right? There are legacy models as well, right? So I wanted to just give you guys a sense that how the content has been pulled from the internet and how it is full-fledgedly up to date. Example, okay? Now, let me just go, for example, GPT-4. I'll just use GPT-4, okay? I will ask a simple question saying, what's the latest price of iPhone in the market? So we all know iPhone 17 is something which is the latest, correct? Now,
Yes.
you know what is that it's showing?
Oh, they're showing the product links even.
Yes, but it is showing the older versions. Do you see this?
Oh, yeah. You're
Right?
right.
Now it is picking certain informations from the internet. The first information what it gave is basically from this, right? Now the same question I'll just try to showcase from maybe the latest. Okay. So I'll just say this market. I'm just asking the same question, right? Now when it is searching through internet, it is giving all the information. You see this now?
Oh, yeah.
So very importantly, why I'm trying to explain this is for every GPT version when it releases, irrespective it is from Gemini or a Chat GPT or a Microsoft, there is a cutoff date. Okay, let me ask this question. Let me ask News, what's the cutoff date for Chat GPT 5? Okay, not Chat GPT. I'll mention it as GPT. Let's see. Okay, so this is something very recent. Also, the precise, I am a GPT 5.1 thinking model, and I know the world is based on around. So June 2024 is something when it got trained up. So now what is that? It is different is it has a backend tools, which we call it as a tool calling. When we are putting certain prompts, if we are giving certain queries which we are expecting to be latest, in our prompt, we need to be very precise, saying that please get the information from the internet. Please get the information from the sources available in an open internet. That's how the very important scenario is. For example, I wanted to show a few things here. So maybe, you know, here we have more options here, especially like deep research and other stuff, right? I have made a detailed prompt. These are all, by the way, free available at present for most of it, right? And let me just click deep research. Okay. And now, by the way, in Copilot, deep research is already part of it. We all know, right? Now I have made certain simple prompt here. Okay. I'll just use this. What I'm asking is act as a growth strategist for a new skincare D2C brand targeting Gen Z women in India, helping me a go-to-market strategy, break it down into customer personas with detailed lifestyle and behavior insights, so on. So, base your suggestions on successful D2C case studies from India or Southeast Asia, right? So this is something which I'm giving a simple prompt to get up more detailed information to bring it to me. Okay. When I do this, what is it asking, right? It is asking like a human. It is asking certain follow-up questions. Okay. What specific type of skincare you are looking at, right? For example, I'll mention acne, right? Do you have a specific price range? I will say premium kind of. Okay. Third, will the brand be purely D2C? It's T2C and offline as well. Example. See, the important point here is it is trying to understand what we are looking for. That is very important, right? Are there any brand value different? I'll just say like organic. So what is the use? Why I'm trying to do that is now my GPT will do this homework what generally we used to spend for money for multiple agencies to bring up the strategies as a go-to market, right? Now my GPT is working automatically to find out the information from various websites. And what was my main intention, right? I was asking it to find out the market GTM opportunity specifically, and it asked me follow-up questions like for which kind of a skincare product you are looking at and what kind of a price range you are looking at. Do you want to limit yourself only on D2C or do you want to limit yourself for retail and kind of, right? Now I just gave certain things, and very important thing is when I try to ask these questions, it is searching very deep, means it is going across the internet and finding a lot of informations. When it gets up, we can able to see even the resources from where this is finding out this information. Okay, let me use this same thing on Copilot as well, for example, right? Let me just say, we ask this.
Wait, but this is the quick response version, right?
You mean the Copilot one?
Yeah, not the deep research.
Not the deep research. Correct. I'll just show that. Thanks for that. Right now, you see, it's just giving a quick responses, right? And it is just not doing much detail. It is just giving a overall like a generic kind of GTM, right? Now, if I want to make it as a deep research, I'll just change this, and again I will put this below. Now let's see what happens. Now you see, it is browsing the reports. When I just expand this, you can see a lot of stuff will be searching, and it will be searching very detailed ones. So meanwhile, let me go back to this. Okay, it is still picking up, right? This is one of the important scenario how we are utilizing our technology, whatever we are using, just not for searching the information or finding out the comparisons or something. We can use the present tools very deeper for our long-term strategies, I say. Right, this is one thing which I have recently learned, and I have tried to pick up. Okay, and which is a great learning for me. Let me just show parallelly this to both. Right. Now you see, what is it saying here when I expanded here? Thinking the previous search did not learn useful information about D2C in India 2025. I will try different more specifics because I selected a deep research option, right? Now the second is the previous search did not yield useful results, and it is trying to understand why the same prompt again it has been pushed. It is trying to improvise it. It is trying to find out the information, right? Now, on the left side, what you see here, this is a chat GPT's response. And it, as of now, it is reading my information, my requirements from a different websites. As of now, 3 sources, it is fine. It is still searching. Okay. So while this is happening, right, let's look at something different as well, right? And the same experience, if you want, I use now at present a different browser, which is called Comet. It is basically promoted by Perplexity. Comet is a browser, which is like a built-in AI kind of, you can say, right? So I just open new tab example. Now you see this is by default built in with the AI search engine. Okay, to try this, I can still try this the same prompt. Now you see there are 3 options here, right? The second option is basically related to research. Okay, for now let me just use Google for time being. Oh, it did not have account saved. Okay. Let me see with Apple if it is picking up my credentials. Okay, let me approve it. As I took from here, I can say just like iPhone. Okay, approve it. Now, very importantly, it is not which tool we are using, how much we are using. That is where the mode is. Because till last year, I remember this time period when we were so excited with Copilot and ChatGPT versions and all. It was more of tools now. Now, when the incremental features or capabilities are increasing, how much deep we are able to utilize our tools, what we were relied on. That is what the change I could see. Looks like it is not picking up. That's okay. Let me just go back here, right? It is still searching. You see this? It's a level resources. Okay. For example, if I go here, it is going into multiple websites like Agenagoric or ET Edge Insights. It's a website. Okay. US Story, the Bridge Chronicle, and DSGCP, right? So before this all get collapsed, right? Let me ask my friend Greg, right? Greg, you there?
Yeah.
So can you share your screen? And I wanted to show parallelly few more things before this report gets generated, okay?
Sure. Give me a second.
So I want to educate on a few things, and I will share one prompt to you on the Teams. Just try to use that.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, save the time. I just kept it on my notepad. And this was one of the asks which we saw in the recent times, especially from our audience in the regular sessions, right?
Yeah.
Hey, I just pinged you. Would you be able to see that?
Oh, this one. Okay. Let me see.
Right. So what I'm trying to do now, guys, is basically to understand where all I can fit as a job if I need to approve,
Oh, this
right?
one, right? Okay.
Yeah, just copy this and
Which
open
tool do
the
you
web.
want to use?
Yeah, so GenSpark is a tool which I wanted to recommend. Okay. Now here in GenSpark, you have multiple agents, right? For example, Greg, you see AI slides, AI sheets, AI docs, lot of things, right? Now, what I request you is click on AI sheets.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes. By the way,
Okay.
as of now for the desktop, I think it is free. Okay, it's the first version. Just paste the prompt which I gave you, right?
Okay.
And let's read it for everyone, right? So what I'm trying, I think my LinkedIn profile did not pick. Give me a
It's
second.
okay. I'll use mine. Let me see.
Yeah, please. If your LinkedIn profile is up to date, please use that.
It's not very up to date, but I can figure it
Let's,
out.
yeah, good.
Let's see. Where is it? Okay, there it is. I just placed it here.
Correct. Just remove that hash, right? What is that we are saying to this tool is, here is my LinkedIn profile, study my profile, what I have done and what kind of jobs I have done. Please help me out to find the jobs comparing to or suitable to my experience. Okay. And my fitment to the job, salary, if available, or any other information helps me to take a call whether the job is suitable for me or not. Give me a few jobs populated on this sheet.
Okay.
Okay.
Do I
Just
click on this?
yeah, just do.
Okay.
Now, you know the beauty of this, it actually collates the opportunities and create it to you in an Excel format, like a sheet format on the right side canvas.
Oh yeah, it's reading my website here.
Correct. It is reading your profile. So give 2 minutes to it. Give 2 minutes to it. Let it search for the information. Because this is something so beautiful that, for example, you like one specific job description. Okay, you wanted to apply for it, right? You know what generally we do, a lot of people actually what happens is they try to go and download the templates or use some gpts to update their text context and all stuff, right? Now with this tool, once it does the research example, right, you can able to uh, create or modify the CV by default
Okay.
by going into a job description. Okay, while it is searching, right?
Yeah.
Just open one more page of like example, like careers in LinkedIn or Microsoft jobs, any career portal in the second tab.
Let's see. Oh, something like this. I just open this.
Just open one of the job example, any opportunity, right? Whatever you feel it can be suitable or something like that.
Maybe not sure it's this one. This is my brother's LinkedIn.
Just pick on assistant account, anything, just pick up one
Something
for
like this,
purpose,
maybe.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So now just copy this link.
Okay. Let's
Okay.
see.
Now open GenSpark in one more tab. I'll just show you the magic now.
Oh, here we go.
Right. Click on that AI docs.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay.
And
choose one of the resume template from here.
oh, something like this or
Yeah.
something like this. Let's try this one.
See,
Oh,
now we never used anything like a CV of our own, correct? Now
yeah.
what you can do is paste first your LinkedIn profile here.
Okay. Let's see. Maybe let me open the okay. Copy this. Okay.
Yeah, just paste
Like this.
and copy the JD from the LinkedIn.
This one?
Yeah,
Okay.
job description for that, right?
Oh, wait. Is it this one? Oh, no. This is the wrong one. Here we go.
Yeah.
Over here.
So on the first thing, you just mentioned this is my LinkedIn profile.
This is my LinkedIn profile. Okay.
Okay. And you can below this is the job opportunity which I want to apply for.
I'm trying for
Modify the CV according to the job description. Just give the full prompt there. Yeah. According to the job opportunity description. That's what you can mention.
okay.
Just to enter. I'm just giving a randomly like a regular kind of conversational stuff, right? Now, the beauty of this tool is it will search and it will search your JD, right? It is taking the tools and it modifies the right side of your CV with all the information.
Okay.
And you can even download this CV. No, wait for a minute. It will regenerate everything.
Okay.
You see now this is Sarah Johnson, right?
Yeah.
So important point here is it understands your profile. You can choose the template what you prefer, right? And it automatically updates all the content related to the job opportunity based on your earlier experience. So obviously now what we tried is not exactly matching profiling, but if you have an experience, because that is where my first action was for you, that find out something similar to your position. Go back to the earlier one while this is happening.
Okay. Let's see. This one.
Yeah, it is still, see, you see, it is creating a tables. It is finding
Oh,
out
yeah.
multiple things, correct? So it's based on your current role. What you do, it is trying to understand and finding out some position from the internet.
Okay.
And one important thing is when I'm searching for this kind of information, it is not limiting only the profiles from LinkedIn or thing. It is trying to search directly from overall internet.
Yeah, I see it's using JobStreet, using Hiredly, the
Correct.
other.
So
Yeah.
now once the research is done, it gives you the full detailed information and the feedback, why you can fit for this position, what kind of salary you need to look at, and what is the improvement you need to be, right?
Okay. Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
That's how this tool works. Give it some time. It is still now it's populating the table and it is collating the informations to you. Now, in this table, when you see, just maximize this before the data comes also, we can still explain it, right? Click on that, maximize that window of
This one? Maybe?
yeah, click.
Let's see.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, what all the data it gives to us is one, for which company and what is the job title, the description of it, and fitment analysis by AI that how you are fitting for this profile, okay, and the salary range if the person have published it, and which location and the requirements and where this job opportunity is found. That is how it is. So this gives like rather searching for keeping openly our profiles. First, we need to identify and improvise our CVs example, right? Then it becomes a lot, right? So yeah, just close this just for the people to understand. I wanted to. Now you see,
Okay.
there is an
I see.
opportunity as a Microsoft trainer.
Oh, yeah.
Now look at the valuation, look at the certification key requirements. Okay,
Oh,
this is
I think it's moving on its own. I have to open this in a new tab.
it is automatically adding the
Uh,
information, right. This
okay.
is like an agentic which is working for you. Genspert is one place, okay, where you can. So we all have been seeing certain presentation tools, PPT preparations like Gamma, right? Genspark also has one agent for preparing the PPTs.
Okay. I guess he gave me this 5.
Yeah, so it has given. It is still searching for you. It is still searching because
Oh,
it has
yeah.
very deeper search kind of a capacity,
Yeah.
right? And you did not spend any single dollar for it, correct? It's a free,
Yeah. It's free.
correct?
Yeah.
Now look at so just go for the analysis after the job description. What is the analysis that why it is recommending you this, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so look for the fitment analysis.
This one.
Why it is saying is strong matching with Azure certification of AI 900 and AZ 900, consulting background, and what is that? Sorry, cursor, I can't read. And business
Business.
management experience. Current role involves Azure Local, Stack HCI, which aligns perfectly marketing lead expertise. Okay. Now go to the last one, which is the link. Where is this published?
Requirements here also, I guess. Yeah. And
See,
this one.
right? What was the company for this? By the way, in the initial we didn't see.
It's called, let's see, Software One.
So it's a right fitment for a consulting because I know Software One very well, right? You know Crayon?
Crayon? Oh, not too familiar.
Yeah, it's like one of a CSP distributor for Microsoft. Now, Software One has actually acquired
Oh,
Crayon,
yeah, over here.
right? So
Yeah.
Software One has acquired Crayon. Now they are doing a lot of consulting projects, right? Now this is the job opportunity, for example, right? Earlier we took something, right? Now just go back there. If the CV is modified, just see there.
This one.
Uh,
Oh,
just
it's not
showing.
able to access it. That's weird.
Okay, so just copy that link, the one which we gave.
The
Well,
link.
the job opportunity we found from Software One.
This. Oh, earlier. Okay, okay. Let's see. It's back here. Copy link.
Yeah, now just give the prompt to update for this job opportunity at least.
Okay, let's see. Update it to match this job opportunity. Okay.
Right, just enter again.
Let's see. Yeah. Oh, yeah. The job posting details is private. Okay.
Correct. There are not open.
No, I think I used up my credits.
Okay.
Oh,
So this is
man.
one of a great tool. Just close this. If that is not working, just go back to home page. Let me explain again.
Oh,
Right.
yeah. Where was it? Crap. Oh, wait.
Now
Okay.
let it
Yeah.
happen there. Yeah. So now you see there are hundreds of agents already here, right? One AI slides, which is basically you give a topic, it will generate the PPT. Okay. Second is AI sheets, where it grabs a lot of data from the internet, which is from the open sources and help you out. Third is the AI docs, basically designed for your documentation professionalism improvement, right? Click on it, AI docs one more time. Does it limits to only CVs just to showcase to everyone, right?
Yeah.
It has a multiple things, right? So job applications, business communications, reports, forms, right? Legal and finance, all these different topics,
Oh, yeah. Invoice.
right? I mean, this
Yeah.
is something very, very useful for our day-to-day basic simple activities, right? When you just go scroll up,
Yeah.
you see, if you doesn't want to use the ready-made one on the below, you can just give a prompt, it will generate.
Oh, yeah. And you can link your own files too.
Yes,
Huh.
and you can give a voice prompt to it. That's the beauty of it.
Oh, yeah.
Right? And obviously, see, we have been doing a lot of advocacy on most of our different AI tools. Now, to get this kind of centralized in one platform, there are very limited. Right. So yeah, go back to the home page. Sorry, my bad.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So the other one is AI developer. This is AI developer is mainly for people who wants to improvise their coding experience, knowledge, all this stuff. Okay. And you can able to link to your Google account as well. On the top, you see supported personalized tools. You can connect this GenSpark to your Google email or a calendars, right? When you give an approval to it, right, you can use AI directly on your Gmail or on a Google Drive or on a Outlook calendar. These are all like APIs kind of, where
Right.
it is like an add-ons on your tools, day-to-day basis tools.
Okay.
So MCP tools means there's a model context protocol tools where you can use for certain texting scenarios or developments kind of. Okay, just go back. I'll explain more features here. I mean, one tool, how many things, right? AI design, it's almost similar to what we have been using like a Microsoft Designer kind of, right? And if you are having certain clips you want to integrate, you can use like a clip champ, the clip genius example, right? AI chat, and the recent buzz one, which is a AI image nano banana, right?
Oh yeah.
Generate the videos. Obviously, if you have a paid version, you get a lot of different. If you remember last session, I think I have showed Kling. How do you create the
Oh
hook
yeah.
posts, right? So,
Kling.ai.
so Kling API is connected with GenSpark. Example,
Okay.
our Gemini API is connected here. Pixverse is connected here, right? That is what.
Yes.
And we are using a Fireflies for AI notes. That is also part of it from the GenSpark.
Oh yeah.
Okay, these are all top 10. Click on that all agents.
Okay. Let's see.
Now you
Yeah,
see,
this.
these are all the tasks, photos, things which is coming up, which is just recent. AI pods, deep research, call for me. Call for me is something becoming more and more demand in the recent times, where AI can do your conversations or take the inbound calls, outbound calls, right? This
Oh
is
wow.
something. This is all stuff which is happening. Okay, on the left side bar you see AI Drive and Hub.
Oh yeah.
Click the Hub.
Let's see. Okay.
So here you can able to create a project and share it to some people, which you can able to have. It is like a segregated path for yours.
Right.
So when you are working on certain multiple projects, you can able to cut short directly get in, right? All the data will be in one place kind of, okay? And click on the AI drive on the left side.
Okay. Agree.
So whatever
Okay.
you generate, everything will be here. And the important thing is, it is same like how we use it for OneDrive, for example, right? All the data will be searched automatically when you're searching with any prompt or when you're giving any prompt, it automatically picks up and do. Obviously, it's a free version. It is limiting to 1 GB,
Yeah.
right? So this is how the simple one prompts which is showing. For example, download pictures from copyright-free image websites. Okay, download papers mentioned in the LinkedIn link. Okay, download videos from Jezbak Korean TikTok. Right, these are all like on your PC. You can able to run a drive which is like a cloud shared folder with the AI conversation. Right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
very, very interesting. I felt this is so much important people to see this because the CV part is something more important. Just see the CV, what's happening.
Let's see. This one's not going on. Well, let me see about the other one.
I think the subscription issue, right? I mean, the thing.
Yeah, the credits are out.
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
Maybe next session I will try to show from my side if my browser issue is resolved. Okay.
Yeah, no worries.
And let me share my screen back.
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, let me.
You.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, so I have asked research, right? Right. Where is my research? Yeah, here it is. Now you see it has done detailed research for me. Okay. Persona 1, the skincare sandwich student, Gen Z 19, a college student in a metro city who frequently battles with acne. So it is giving scenarios from a lot. And you know how much deep it is? Just I'm scrolling.
It looks very
Right?
long.
Right? this is the beauty of the AI tools at present, what we can use on, right? Now, the important point is this analysis just did not come like that, right? It went very, very deeper. For every line of information, it is giving me the source from where it picked up this information.
Yeah.
Very important, right? Now, this is something where I can able to use this to anyone to go through. For example, if I have my co-founder, if I have someone who wants to understand what is this happening, this is something which gives a very detailed report. Okay. Now, obviously, last thing what it is saying, right? One important thing what I like now in the recent ChatGPT is multitasking. It's saying that try asking GPT something else while you wait with this. That's what we were doing, right? We went to a different topics, right? And from where this has picked up, it took almost 19 sources, right? Now, this is one of the best way what I could see to utilize the smartness of the latest tools. Obviously, it has a multiple scenarios, okay, but you can able to still do it for a multiple requirements, right? For example, if you want to connect with agentic more, and if you want to give more detailed tasks to be done as an automation, you can do that. And if you want to get more resources to be connected, you can just ask for more information. So there are multiple things. The only point today which I wanted to bring up on is try to explore more of it, what you have from your logging, just not use for the basic. That's the point which I wanted to say. Yeah. So there are multiple more things which we can still discuss in multiple like coming up sessions, right?
Yeah.
Thanks for that. Back to you, Ian and Greg.
Yeah, sure. Ian, do yours or Ian show mine?
You can show yours first.
Okay, give me a second. If you want to show a little something on Copilot also, because I saw something new yesterday. I think it's called the Copilot Fall release. Yeah, I think it's just fall release. But let me do share my screen.
Sorry, my bad. I just got off.
Oh, yeah, no worries. Yeah, I was gonna show a little something on a Copilot. I think this came out in the new Ignite announcements. But let me share my screen real quick. Okay, over here. So of course, it's called the Copilot Fall release, right? And one of the things I did notice over here is that they're going to introduce this neat little. I don't know if any of you remember Clippy. Clippy was when I first learned how to use all the Microsoft tools, Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. There's a thing called Clippy that told you how to do different things. They're trying to make a Clippy into a Copilot, and it's called Miko over here, right? So it's like a little bit of a mascot that shows you how to do things around, how to use Copilot and all of that stuff, right? So it's trying to like, I guess, make Copilot into much more of a personal, much more like, a much more human feature.
Did you explore this, Greg?
I don't think it's out yet. Yeah.
Oh, no. So just go to Copilot online version browser.
Let me see.
I remember somewhere I have seen this. So
Oh, is it? Yeah. Because I just saw this.
go to left side experimental labs.
Which tab? Oh, this one. Yeah.
Scroll down.
Oh, this one.
This one.
Okay. Oh, it's only available in the US. Oh man.
Correct. So this is something which has been there like in the last month itself, right? And so this was like a fall release. Fall release basically like a time period between October, November, December, right? When Microsoft announced, right? This is something which will be so much differentiated as a personal view. So hopefully by next month, we should be able to access in our region as well, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, every time Copilot comes out with something new, they only release it to the US.
So this is something what I remember inspired by the staple pin model. You remember earlier we used to have a to-do icon in very, very long back from Microsoft.
I can't remember, but okay.
The very old days. I 100% sure you would have not seen. I'm talking about when it was a Windows XP or before.
I only remember Clippy.
Sorry, my bad. The Clippy only. So
Yeah,
this is
this guy.
inspired from Clippy, right? The
Yeah.
same way you can able to customize your own kind of like Myco.
Oh yeah, I remember there's like a dog version of Clippy.
Yeah, yeah. Right? So it's a
Yeah,
pure
something like this.
Hmm?
Yeah, this thing. Oh man.
Correct, correct. Right. So these all used to be like a third-party tools kind of that time when we used to start, right? Only Clippy was built in with Windows, and the other was not from the Microsoft. It used to be like an add-on themes kind of more of,
Oh
right?
yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Now the similar way for the Copilot, it becomes like more interesting, more on your conversations. It understands and it gives you a different feel altogether. I could say that this is something era where we are able to visually experience a lot of future generative development. See, think of this like this, right? We have been using automation kind of scenarios, robots and all as a live now. But think of it like 30 years back.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now, in the future, when kids come in, AI becomes very common in day-to-day life. They doesn't know the efforts or the process until someone go deeper.
Yes.
Right. So this is something which is making a roadmap for a longer vision. That's something so exciting, especially from this. Just
Yeah.
to cut off to you in between. I thought of to just
No worries. Yeah, I thought it was pretty cute and I thought it was new, but oh, I didn't know it's from last month.
no, it is
Yeah.
new as a detailed features which they have announced day before yesterday. Because see, the experiments what we see on the left side, it
This
is
one.
still on reviews.
I know you've shown this one, the 3D.
Yeah, 3D portraits also is something which has come up. Copilot Vision already we have shown earlier, right? So, for
Yeah.
example, I'll give you a different perspective. Do you have a ChatGPT?
Let me see if I have it logged in. Okay, I have it here, I think. Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
there
I
we
mean,
go.
not this. In the Google search, just do ChatGPT Playground.
Okay. ChatGPT Playground. Oh, this
Just,
thing.
yeah, just log in there.
Okay, let's see. Oh,
Log in with the same account. Log in with the same of your ChatGPT.
crap, what email did I use? Give me a second, I'm gonna stop sharing. Just in case the
I,
password shows up. Can't remember which email I used. Let me try it. Okay, I think I have it here. Okay, let me share my screen again. And here we go. Oh, but do I have to pay for something? Let's see. Maybe I have to search it up
sorry,
again.
I went on mute. It's the right
Oh,
thing.
yeah.
No, just go on the left side, click on the agents.
Oh, okay. Left side, this agent builder.
Yeah, that's also a one good thing. Just see.
Okay.
This is basically the development of agents, what you see here.
Yeah.
You see this somewhere, you remember this kind of words or activities in our Copilot?
Yeah. It's a Copilot Studio, right? So,
Yeah, right?
yeah.
The left side, click on the images now.
Let's see. Oh, this one I need
Okay,
billing.
it's asking
Yeah.
you. Maybe let me share my screen if I can.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I
Do
should
you
have.
have the API keys or like billing for ChatGPT?
I can develop a API key. It should not take much time, right? Okay.
Yeah, because I was using the ChatGPT API to make the N8N tools.
You just need to have your card connected. That's it. It will be done.
Yeah.
GPT Playground. Yeah. So, oh man, it is not taking my account here.
Yeah, it always logs me out. I'm not sure why either.
No, it's okay. I can do from here where my browser has saved this thing. Or should I go to new tab? New tab is here, right? Yeah, I'll just open this here. Then. Again, it's asking. Okay. Try again.
Maybe the Cloudflare thing disconnected everyone.
No, it should not be asking for. Okay, you see now. Yeah.
Okay.
Agent builder.
Hmm.
This is the agents. which is already available from ChatGPT. The similar experience we can get it from even the Copilot. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, audio things which we are seeing, right? You see these names?
Yeah, yeah.
See this car Copilot?
Okay.
Okay, so you can develop your own agentic kind of solutions for audio for car, where your car can actually have a conversations with you as a co-pilot part of it, right? The image scenarios. You remember this similar screen somewhere? Let me just show you. Sorry,
Let's see.
still picking up. Ah, okay.
Does it generate the images live
No, the same
as
thing
part
like
of the
we have been using in the Copilot lab,
designer?
right?
Oh,
Right? Assistants. This is basically called as in our language, we call it as a studio, we call it as a different tools, right? The same thing in ChatGPT, it is called as a platform, which is basically playground. They call it as a playground. Okay. And this is where you can connect your API keys. So for example, you want to generate a key, just create it here and connect it. That's it.
okay.
Here it starts communicating with your GPT agents. In N8N, when you are saying the agent, right, you need to
Yeah,
go
yeah.
and create a new secret key. And once the key is generated, you should keep it as noted somewhere to save it. Okay. And you connect this key in your N8N agent. That's it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right. So this is basically very important thing to know when we are trying to customize something new. And good important thing is it has each and every information documentation. How do you start with? For example, for text generation, okay, how your prompt and the model generation text can be more improved, how you can able to structurize it, okay. If you are looking at for image and vision, right, how you can improve. Step-by-step guides are here, right? So this is like a go-to for you guys to build your own if you want to. I mean, rather exploring multiple different platforms, you can still just do it directly from here. That's how it
Actually,
is.
Amar, if you don't mind, can you click on the agent builder and see one of the templates? Because I
Uh,
tried to open it in mine and it asks for a payment.
okay, give me a
Yeah.
second. Let me go back to the home. This, right? Agent.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one you want to?
Maybe the customer service one?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Wow. It looks very similar to, yeah. Oh, okay, okay.
Right. So there are something which is very straightforward. Obviously, until we don't get a chance to explore, we feel we are somewhere disconnected. And you see this here on the play button,
Yeah.
right? You can start doing the conversation, put your agent for testing directly here.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is how the playground is helpful for most of the customers. So when I click this, automatically created already. I should.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
And you can just rename it and you can start using. So in every AI tool, what we have been using, like ChatGPT, Claude, or any other stuff, every tool has this kind of stuff. And by the way, I was talking to you guys on the cutoff date example, right?
Yeah.
Now, when it is differentiated is when you are using tools from online, majority of tools based on your prompt, it will get the information from the internet, correct? Now,
Yes.
if you want to use the latest version on your offline without internet, how do you do?
Oh, is it possible?
Yep. So there is a tool where I'll just show you. I'm just using Google for you guys. Misty Studio, Misty.ai. Okay.
Okay.
This is a tool which you can download on your local as a desktop application.
Oh.
Okay. Now I'll just show you how it looks. Okay. I have installed, I think. Yeah, this is the one, which is a offline LLM which I have downloaded to my PC.
Okay. Does
Right?
it take like a lot of storage to
Yes,
download this?
obviously. I'll just show you. I mean, how you need to choose also, I'll just show you. Give me a second. Where is my personas, agents, model hub? Okay. Yeah, so this is the local AI models. Okay.
Yes.
How you need to choose is based on your usage. Okay, as of now, we have been more familiar with Microsoft Copilot, sorry, ChatGPT, correct?
Yeah,
Now there
yeah.
are multiple, like for example, DeepSeek. We have been searching earlier, right? We have been using DeepSeek, right? And if you want to download DeepSeek as an offline, you need to have a
Oh,
minimum 4.7 GB space, okay? And this is a
okay.
version. So what you need to develop accordingly, first you need to identify the cutoff date for this version, DeepSeek R1, okay? And how much data or the LLM capacity is 7 billion parameters,
Okay. Wow.
right? So for example, when I click this, it will be available in my model. So once I download, I'll just show you what I have installed, right? I have installed Llama 3. That was the highest, okay? Which
Okay.
took me 5.5 GB space, which has a 8 billion parameters.
Holy.
Right? Now the question comes is, Amar, which one I have to choose? How do I identify? That is one of the important question most of people when they start using, right? These are all LLMs,
Yeah.
guys, right? All the LLMs which you can download to your local and start using for your
Oh.
personal
Yeah,
development
because
of
I'm seeing that some of these are like 80 GB, 70 GB. It's
this
like, wow.
70 GB. And what is the parameters, right?
Yeah.
141 billion.
Holy crap.
Right? Now, very important, I'll show you now, model matchmaker.
Oh, oh.
Okay, so what model will be helpful for what kind of usage? So I'll just say I need it for local. Okay.
Yes.
I say that generalist of all trades, I'll just make it as 15. I say that I need more for a data analysis.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Now you see the rating for below. Which one you can
Oh,
download? Which one is good for your capability requirements? This is the
okay.
rating which recommends you that for your requirements, like a data analysis, if I just remove data analysis, okay, I say that for story generation, right?
Okay.
So now it changed to O3 mini. This is from
Okay. Okay.
OpenAI.
Is downloading this like free?
Yeah, downloading is free. I'll just
Oh,
click here, and it is showing now why it is considered is best. What is the strength of it?
wow.
Right? So for example, I remove story generation. Okay. Now what I have chosen is generalist of all trades, right? Which is nothing I have chosen. It is not showing anything. For example, if I need to do a summarization, Gemini will be one of the best,
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Huh.
right? So for example, if I want to do a reasoning model,
But it's
gross,
all like text-based, right? I don't see there's a value for like images or something like that.
no, it's all offline, right? You're doing everything on your offline. There is no
Hmm.
charge, nothing, right? So,
Yeah.
for example, if I do a reasoning, Greek Grok 4, right? Now, what
Hmm.
is the Grok 4's cutoff date we need to be aware of? If we are thinking for the recent latest anything, we need to be aware of that Grok 4 can support or not.
Right, right.
Right. So this is how you can able to understand that which model will help you, how you want to use it. Once I download it, right, I have to install that. Okay. When
Okay.
I install it, I will be part of it. So for example, once I close it, at present, you see here, I have one. When I add more, I can do without internet all the LLM activity by default from here itself.
Oh, wow.
Right? This is basically you require minimum of 8 GB RAM to 16 GB. And what I learned from my thing is if I have more RAM, that much high capacity you can go with.
Okay.
It's not about the storage, okay? It's basically how much the parameters you have, how you need to utilize based on your memory, because memory is the one which makes a huge difference. That is
Mm-hmm.
where now we see the Copilot plus PC configurations
Yeah, yeah.
as an NPU, which can manage with the right set of memory alignments for your day-to-day activities,
Oh, okay, okay.
right? So this is how you can able to download offline LLMs. I mean, download the LLMs to offline and use it for your practice or testing, anything.
Yeah, wow. Maybe I gotta try this out.
You're excited.
Let's
Is
see.
it?
Okay. Yeah, first time
So
seeing
one of
this. Yeah.
oh yeah, there
Yeah.
are two, three tools. Wait, I'll just tell you one more tool. Misty Studio is one. Okay. I forgot the second one, actually, the name of it.
Oh, is it
Misty,
something like this?
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
Something similar, Misty
Okay.
Studio, and there was one more thing. Misty Studio, yeah. Because I have gone through the courses, but I didn't get time to spend for myself more on that, right? So a lot of things are still on the way to, right?
Oh,
I'll share you separately, right?
yeah,
So
no worries.
very important thing is when we are on a travel, when we want to work on certain things, when we don't have an internet stable, use this. You want
Hmm.
to do by everything by yourself, end-to-end development of your own, use this. Correct?
Okay.
This is how it is. The tool is called as Misty Studio.
Okay. Okay. I
The
gotta
one.
look at it.
Okay.
Misty.ai. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Right. So this is a free tool, by the way. You don't need to have to be paid for it, and
Yeah.
you use this even on mobile, by the way.
Oh, wow. But your phone needs to be very strong for
Correct.
it to
Correct.
run.
Your phone should have a very good capacity. That also makes a very difference for you. But you can able to experience this on a web version as well. This is a launch studio web version,
Okay. Wow.
right?
Yeah, I'm surprised a tool like this is free.
Yes, yes. I mean, this is the initial time period what we are seeing, right? So
Mm.
here you see now there are multiple resources as well. So you can understand the RAM calculation, how much for which LLM, how much you need to use it for.
Okay. Okay.
For example, I
Wow.
just showing
49 VRAM, 49 gigs VRAM. That's
a
great.
virtual RAM. So you can create it in a virtual machine as well, right? So for example, the one which I have installed is what? Llama, right?
Yes.
So Llama 70 MB or 13, I think. Okay. When I click this, it recommends to have a
Oh,
34 virtual GB RAM. Okay.
wow.
And its virtual GB means almost like 10 GB of your physical RAM.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Correct. It's a VRAM, right? It's not, right? And
Yeah.
if you have a GPU in it, you can get a best of the best configuration understanding. See,
Hmm.
these things are very important. Cost calculator, I didn't explore till now before, right? Maybe once I integrate with the cloud with API tokens and all, how much it charges is showing there here. Now, Anthropic is something becoming more even for Microsoft. So yesterday the announcement with Microsoft on NVIDIA and Anthropic, they will
Hmm.
be working. So Anthropic will be using Microsoft Infra, and Microsoft Infra is supported by NVIDIA. So three
Right.
of them together will be coming up with a lot of new features in Copilot to get enhanced for every customer need. That's the new thing which yesterday Satya has announced. That's
Hmm.
also a so exciting time period for us to see how Copilot will also be evolving in a different angle beyond the enterprises.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm just hoping that they'll be more available.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is the high time for, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I guess we're past one. Ian, you got anything to close it off with? Got me, my mic.
I didn't even realize it's already 1 o'clock.
Yeah, time flies when having fun.
Yeah. Thank you for all the sharing, Greg and Amar.
You.
And since we don't have much time left, we'll end it off for today. We'll see you, say, next month, correct?
Yep.
So, yes, we'll see you next month. Thank you for all for coming, and we'll
Thanks.
see you next time.
Thank you. Thank you,
All
Ian.
right.
Greg.
Ian, close the recording.